Yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir. We got him. The Master Cordless Limited Gold Edition. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Let's check it out, guys. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's see. Woo! Woo! Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Let's peel her open, guys. Uh-oh, here she goes. Yes, sir. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh, gold joints. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Oh, wow. Even the nails is gold, guys. Yeah, guys. Woo. Gold. A little heavy. Feels good. Good weight, actually. Read instructions first. Do not turn on until clipper is fully charged. Yeah, guys. Let's see what else is in this box. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's see what else we got here, guys. Set up just like the TI liners, the cordless. Very similar. I wonder if I could use this charging dock with the and the TI liners. It looks like a similar charging dock. I love this gold. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! Okay. Let's see, guys. We're gonna put this right here, right next to it. See what else we got in this box, guys. These clippers was very expensive, guys. Very expensive. I'm gonna reveal what I paid for at the end of this video. These clippers right here are limited edition, so I had to get them, especially because they're gold. Everybody know how I feel about that. Woo! All these clips, they should have added the gold on these clips, guys. They should have added the gold on these clips, guys. But these still nice. They should have added the gold on these clips, guys. Dang. It's okay. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna probably use my magnetic yellow guards for the magic clips anyway. I might use these to see. Let's see how they look and attach to each other. Let's see. Guys. They fit pretty well. Fit real. Yes, sir. Okay, what else we got, guys? Of course, important documents enclosed inside. Let's see. Scan through it real quick. Oh. Yes, sir. Put those enclosed documents back. Put them right there. Got the charger, guys. And then in order to charge it, gotta stick it in that hole. Guys gonna hear it. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! So we got the dot charger on there, guys. And of course, we got the Andis oil. And it looks like they gave us an extra piece. It goes on a clipper. And let's charge them up, guys. Let's charge these babies up. Alright, guys. Let's charge her up before we power her on. And there she goes. Yes, sir.
Thousands of tears later.
Yes, sir. Boys charged. They charged, guys. Yeah. So now I get to peel this off. Oh, man. Let's see. Woo. Good sticker. Uh-oh. Let's see, guys. Woo. Get the shine on them. Woo. Look at that, guys. That off of there, man. Ooh. Yes, let's hear how she sound, guys. Okay. First time. Let's go. Woo! Somebody about to get cut today, guys. Yeah. Gold Masters Cordless Limited Edition. Limited, guys. Woo! It's on the flow, guys. Now, I paid a lot for these clippers, guys. These are the limited edition. All gold masters, screws gold. These retail at $400, guys. And they're pretty much sold out. So, good little collector's item. Good tool. I'm gonna use them in the shop. And y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Next video, I will be using these, guys, on the client. Yeah. So, yes, sir. Yeah.